Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. On a weekly time frame chart, Dogelon Mars has already broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern. You can see that for the past several months or years, it was moving inside this wedge, and finally here in the previous candlestick, in the previous week, we have broken out the resistance of this wedge, and imminently we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance of this up channel as well. Right now, Dogelon is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.00000385 that had been previously breaking at the resistance here for several weeks and resistance here as well. In fact, from 3850 to approximately up to here at 42, we have a lot of resistance on. Therefore, we will need to break out this resistance on in order to continue this rally to the upside. At the same time, Dogelon Mars is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that the candlestick is slightly moved above this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this lagging span is about to hit the Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that this green line, this lagging span, is moving up aggressively. And when lagging span of Ichimoku bearish cloud crosses up the cloud, that is a very powerful buying signal and bullish signal, especially on the weekly time frame chart. And we have also received a bull cross between the blue line and this brown line. That this blue line is the bullish line, that is the conversion line, and this brown line is the bearish line, that is the baseline of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now you can see that it has crossed up this brown line, and this cross is just formed above the candlestick, but now we have this cross below the candlestick, and therefore it can also provide a very strong support. By the way, the ideal cross is when it forms below the price line. You can see that we have received this cross above the price line. However, now the price line is moved above these two moving averages, and now these two moving averages are providing a nice support. Therefore, this can be another very nice and bullish gesture. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for render, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 15th of Feb, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. This is the buying range, this is the sell target zone, and this is the stop loss below $4.77, and the buying zone was from $4.83 and goes to $4.77. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, you can see that render has rallied almost up to $8.28. And if you would like to catch each other pumps, then I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description as my YouTube or Patreon member. You can find in the description. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And over here, you can see that we have already broken out a quite big and multi-year space resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. And imminently after the breakout from this wedge, we have also broken out this up channel as well. And at the same time, we have also broken out this quite significant resistance of $0.000025. And now it is starting to break out this quite strong resistance of $0.000038.5 as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this up channel's breakout, that technical target is, by the way, here. As per this measurement, that can be here, slightly beyond this resistance, approximately at 4234. At the same time, you can see that it is also struggling to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that the cloud is now turning bullish. The color is getting changed from red to green. Therefore, after breaking out this cloud, and when it will be completely flipped into a bullish cloud, this cloud will be breaking as a very strong and long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of this wedge. That is 5 times 0, $2276. So this most update so far, I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.